Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, My name is Muhammad Kamprasio. Number attention 12 from 3 DJ1 Civil Engineering at Polytechnic of Malang. So basically this is my project is design a route. My route is way from the Pucuk Brondong Highway to the Paciran Highway with to the destination of the final trip to the BBL. My motivation to make this route is used to cut time and distance to the site, so the tourist can shorten the time and save fuel while crossing the route. The way we know it, it is inspired by the wave flow of river that swing to find path that that is easy to pass. So the purpose of building this route follow that philosophy swinging to look for a more efficient path. The route design near Wisata Bali Lamongan in East Java, Indonesia, typical feature the following characteristic. Main access route, the primary route leading to WBL, a well-paved asphalt pavement to land highway. Is often lined with tropical greenery, including forests, creating a scenic drive. The route have clear scenic indication direction to Wisata Bali Lamongan, ensuring visitors can easily find their way because the topography location in a hilly area in the process of route construction is requires cut and fill to adjust to good route planning. This is my route in 3 dimensions. I can play this route. Main access route, the primary route leading to WBL is well-paved asphalt pavement to land highway. It is often lined with lush tropical greenery including forests, creating a scenic drive. The route have clear scenic indication direction to Wisata Bari Lamongan, ensuring visitors can easily find their way. Because the topographic location is hill area in the process of route construction in required cut and fill adjust to good planning. Route planning is described above this route to land width and shoulder of route each. The width of the lens in 3.5 meter and width is 1.5 meter. This new route has 4 intersections that cut off the other route. My goal of making this route is make it easier for tourists to go to the VPL because the original route is turning and far away. For another reason, there is an empty ground that makes it possible to make a new route as an alternative route. Resulting impact of the route is to facilitate the mobilizing of citizens around the route that can raise the economy of the citizen, but the problem of route planning is linked to citizen and liberation permit. Because for efficient reason, my interest to make this route that is in the high plan and by the sea so that you can see the good side. My inspiration when I see the news on the information of the contraction of the route that are in Mesir. They immediately make a strike that with having to avoid the mountain of the hill so that they can cut the distance and the time despite the cost. The contraction of route that follow the flow of river has come underlying philosophy and confederation. Here is planning of the philosophy behind the design. Topography and route efficient adapting to natural contour. River usually flow through roads with minimal slope, so building route that follow the river flow is often easier. Energy efficient by following natural contour too. Accessibility and development of territory, access to water resource. Road built near river provide easier access to water resource, which are important for settlement, agriculture, and industry. Economic development. The river is often the center of economic activities such as trade and transportation. River that follow road can support and accelerate economic development in region. in region. Sustainability minimum environmental sustainability interfering with ecosystem by following the natural path of river. Road construction can reduce the impact on existing environment and ecosystem compared to opening new path of the way interfere with flora and fauna habitat. Flood management route will considering river flow pattern can be designed to better cope and manage flood risk. For example, provide a good drainage system or a sustainability hack to avoid water stagnation. The street has no aesthetic and functional because it has no visual impact on the shape its contraction. However, over his street has beautiful natural secondary as the graph above. The speed of this road planning in 30 km per house with maximum accessibility load of 8 ton. The material used from the bottom up is the underground grass foundation. The top foundation of sand, cement, asphalt, 60-80. The construction method is the same as the construction of other road. One layer, 1 meter. The challenge when working on this design is to calculate the cut and fill, as well as the calculation of the slope of the road. So making this road I hope can make it easier to access, shorten time and save travel costs. Thank you. This is my road.